Welcome to iPhone Tips and Tricks. Today it's all about how you take a screenshot and make a PDF from it. It's really cool. Check it out. If you're like me, you're always looking for things, scrolling around, trying to find information on something. And today I'm scrolling on ZNet and I might find an article that I suddenly come across that I really like, so I'll stop and I'll look at it. Now, in an early morning like this, I don't usually have time to get into the nitty-gritty of the article. What I would do is I would screenshot pressing the start button and the volume up button. I'll just screen snap. Now, if I open up the screen snap, now what you see right now is the actual screenshot that I've just taken. The moment it's on screen, you can see full page or screen. Now there's a difference between full page and screen. Down here at the side, on the right hand side, you can see there is a scroll bar, and as I scroll through, the screenshot is not just a simple screenshot of that screen's instance. It is basically a screenshot that takes in the full page, which I find really amazing. Now the good thing about this is if you simply click done and save as PDF, you have a PDF of save. I'm going to replace, and voila, you have a PDF of that page. And to prove it to you, and there is indeed a PDF of your page, which you can scroll. And you can highlight and do all sorts of things. I think this is amazing. Check it out. Kudos to them. Well, we hoped you liked our iPhone tips and tricks. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and join our channel.